let's create reports and a dashboard. Type Reports in the app launcher and select Reports. Search for Approval Requests with Approvals and select it as the report type. Click Start Report. Before adding the columns and filters, it's important to ensure the report is properly structured to capture the right approval data. This step helps in organizing the information effectively, making it easier to track pending approvals and identify any delays in the process. Now, let's add the necessary columns: approver, date, time assigned. Before adding the formula, it's essential to ensure all necessary data fields are in place. This helps in accurately calculating approval times and tracking pending requests without errors. Next, we add a summary column. Column name: Time pending approval. And this is the formula to calculate the time an approval request has been pending before action is taken. Click Validate and Apply. Apply the filter accordingly to show relevant approval requests. Status equals assigned. Click Apply. Save the report with the name Unapproved Steps Pending. Create a new report. Select Approval Requests with Approvals. Click Start Report. Now, before moving forward, let's quickly add the necessary columns one by one. First, select Approval Step. Now, add Date, Time assigned. Let's ensure the steps are in the correct order for accurate tracking. Now, select Date, Time approved. Now, let's calculate the time taken for approvals to be completed by adding another summary column. This will help track how long each approval. With the necessary columns in place, we can now add a formula to calculate the approval duration. Now, add a summary column. Column name: Time to approve. Now, let's measure how long each approval takes from assignment to completion. Validate and apply. Apply the filter. Approval request created date, all time. Date, time approved, not equal to blank. Click Apply. Save as Average Approval Time per Step. Make a copy of Average Approval Time per Step and filter it for Step 1. I'm making a copy of Average Approval Time per Step so we can break down the approval process by each step. This will allow for better analysis and tracking. This helps in identifying any bottlenecks in the first stage of the process. Saving as Step 2. Next, I'll do the same for Step 2. Saving as Step 3. For Step 3, we follow the same approach. Saving as Step 4. Finally, I'll create a report for Step 4. With all steps separated, we can now use these reports to build a comprehensive dashboard. Apply the step-specific filter for each copy. Save and apply. Go to Dashboards. Click New Dashboard. Enter the name. Select a folder and create. Click Add Widget. Select Table and choose the Unapproved Steps Pending report. Apply conditional highlighting for its time pending approval. Set the color for more than 7 days as red and adjust the rest as needed for clarity. Click Add Widget. Select Gauge and choose Average Approval Time, Step 1. Change the colors and numbers for readability. 0 to 3 days equals green. 4 to 7 days equals yellow. 8 to 10 days equals red. Update text and subtext, light or dark mode. Repeat for steps 2, 3, and 4. Arrange the table and gauge widgets properly. Make sure labels are clear and formatting is correct. Click Save. Now, this is the approval process dashboard.